大家好，我係 Grace， 歡迎收睇今日嘅澳洲社區快訊。我會為大家帶嚟最新、最貼地嘅澳洲社區資訊，同你一齊緊貼本地動態，掌握第一手消息。由 Burwood Council 主辦嘅馬年農曆新年慶祝活動 Lunar Lanes 上週六晚喺 Burwood 市中心熱鬧登場，多條主要道路劃為行人專用區，將市中心打造成大型戶外嘉年華，吸引大批居民同遊客到場，共同迎接新春佳節。活動由傍晚5點持續到晚上10點。Burwood Road 同周邊街區燈火通明，人潮絡繹不絕。現場設有多個表演舞台與主題區域，傳統舞獅喺鑼鼓聲中穿梭街頭，本地藝術團體帶嚟音樂同舞蹈演出，展現多元文化特色。創意市集與手作攤位亦都吸引唔少市民駐足選購，多間本地餐廳及美食商戶同步參與，街頭飄來陣陣香氣，市民一邊欣賞表演，一邊品嚐亞洲及各地特色小食，氣氛熱鬧溫馨。唔少家庭扶老攜幼到場感受節日氣氛，亦有年輕人相約好友影相打卡，為新一年留低美好回憶。市長喺活動中表示，農曆新年慶典已經成為 Burwood 社區年度盛事之一，唔單止帶動本地經濟，更凝聚不同文化背景嘅居民，展現社區包容與共融嘅精神。
Burwood is the 5th most diverse community in the country, and we celebrate many different communities coming together here in our local area, and we love celebrating culture and the diversity of culture. And you just need to look around me to see today we'll get over 50,000 people coming to visit Burwood to celebrate Lunar New Year. People from Asia, people from Europe, people from all around the globe that have different cultures are coming here celebrating with our Asian communities today to celebrate Lunar New Year. I'm so proud about today's event. You know, we always expected we'll get a bigger crowd. This year, that's why we made the event bigger. It's called Lunar Lanes this year, so if you come out and you can enjoy it along Burwood Road, you can come down into our Unity Place, into Emerald Square, into Burwood Chinatown. There's many people here, as you can see behind me. We've got some great performances happening. It's an amazing event, and I'm so proud that our community comes together here in peace, love and harmony, and celebrating the Year of the Horse.